In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sequence in Apollo.io. If you're cleaning up your Outreach library or retiring a workflow that's no longer in use, this walkthrough will show you the simplest, safest way to do it. A quick note before we begin. In Apollo, what most people think of as deleting a sequence is handled by archiving it. Archiving removes the sequence from your active view, stops any future steps from going out, and preserves your history and reporting. It's the recommended approach because you keep your data while keeping your workspace tidy. Start on your Apollo dashboard and open Sequences. You'll find it in the main navigation. This brings up your complete list of sequences. Use the search bar or sort options, sorting by last used, is especially handy. To locate the sequence you want to retire, take a moment to confirm it's the right one by checking details in the row, like the name, owner, last used date, and enrolled count. Clarity here prevents archiving the wrong workflow, especially if you maintain multiple versions. Next, hover over the sequence and click the three dots on the right side, the More Actions icon. On some screens, you may need to scroll horizontally to see that column, and the icon may only appear when you hover. Clicking it opens a small menu with actions specific to that sequence. Before you proceed, consider the impact. Archiving will immediately stop remaining steps for anyone currently enrolled. That's usually the goal when retiring a campaign, but it's worth double-checking with your team if others are actively using it. From that menu, choose Archive. Apollo will display a confirmation window summarizing what will happen. Read the message to make sure it aligns with your intent. No more sends will go out, and the sequence will be moved out of your active list, but historical data will remain available. To finalize, click Archive Sequence in the confirmation window. The change takes effect right away. You'll notice the sequence disappear from your active sequences view and move into the archived state. If you need to reference it later, use the filters or status view in Sequences to find archived items. Because archiving preserves history, you can still review performance and past activity. That's all there is to it. For smoother management going forward, keep your naming conventions consistent, verify permissions if you manage shared assets, and when in doubt, capture any learnings from recent performance before you archive. You've now effectively deleted, by archiving, a sequence in Apollo.io while keeping your workspace clean and your data intact.